Class 5 IMO Achiever Section Part 4. Achiever Section question number 46. Match the columns. A Roman numeral and its equation is equal to 450. B is 3614. C is 459. And D is 309. In column 2, first one is 3614. Second 309. Third 459. Fourth 450. So, matching all these, we will get the answer as C option. Achiever section question number 47. Which of the following statement is correct? First, we'll see the A option. A. The fraction 6 by 25 is equal to 0.24. So, we have to convert this fraction into a decimal. In order to convert a fraction into a decimal, let us multiply the numerator and denominator by 100. We will get the answer as 24 by 100, that is 0.24. So this option is the correct option. Let us check the B option, C option and the D option. Achiever section question number 48. Fill in the blanks. A. The area of square P is dash square centimeter. B. Area of figure Q is dash square centimeter. C. Area of figure R is dash square centimeter. D. Sum of area of figure P and figure R together is dash square centimeter more than area of figure Q. Now let us find the missing sides. As we can see here in the top, 28 centimeter over here at the bottom is divided into 2 equal halves. So 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14 centimeters each. Over here 14 centimeter similarly is divided into 2 equal halves. So each half is equal to 7. Over here in the R rectangle, one half of one side is 7 centimeters and the other half is 4 centimeters. So totally this side will be 11 centimeters. Now let us find the questions. A. The area of figure P is dash square centimeters. Area of rectangle, that is equal to L into B, so it is equal to 392 square centimeters. B. Area of figure Q is dash square centimeters. The area of rectangle Q is equal to 10 into 22, which is equal to 220 square centimeter. C. Area of figure R is dash square centimeters. The area of rectangle R is 66 square centimeters. D. The sum of areas of figure P and figure R together is dash square centimeter more than the area of figure Q. Sum of areas of figure P and figure R is equal to 458 square centimeter. Sum of areas of figure P and figure R together is 238 square centimeter more than the area of figure Q. So the answer is D. Mathematics question number 49. In order to find out this question, we need to know a term called subset. A set A is said to be a subset of another set B if every element of set A is also an element of set B. So now we'll see that Sam arranged multiples of 3 as subset of multiples of 6 and 18. Superset multiples of 18 should have everything in its subset, that is multiples of 3. Here multiples of 3 have 6, 9, 12 and 15 which are not in superset, that is multiples of 18. So this arrangement is not correct. Similarly, Trishi in subset multiples of 4, 4, 8 and 12 are not seen in superset multiples of 18. So Trishi arrangement is also not correct. Similarly, Sanchi's arrangement is also not correct. So our answer is going to be none of these. Achiever section question number 50. Divyanka parked his bike from 10 a.m. to 6:50 p.m. on Monday and Sunday. The charges of parking are given below. First question, how much did Divyanka have to pay in total for the parking charges on Monday? 2. How much cheaper did he pay for the parking charges on Sunday than on Monday? Parking charges on Monday 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. is equal to 250 rupees. Monday 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. that is 6 hours into 350 rupees per hour, which is equal to 2100 rupees. Monday 5 p.m. to 6:50 p.m. that is 4 1 by 2 hours into 10 rupees, which is equal to 40. So total parking charges on Monday is equal to 2390. Similarly, on Sunday we'll get the total parking charges, that is 1240. So Sunday is 1150 rupees cheaper than Monday. So the answer is C. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.